Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide roll callers on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now you will find here accessibility, click on it, and here as you see you will find here roll callers, and here just click don't show roll callers, and that's it. That's how to hide roll callers on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.